a lot of people now relate to Mirchi with RJ Komal.
Absolutely Indori. I'm like, अरे यार ये मेरे साथ हो गया, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
Everybody thinks radio is becoming a desolate medium.
AI is still coming to radio, but it's also there in radio.
Pick up that book, listen to radio yourself
Yes.
before you actually
Yes.
tell your kids to do that.
चलो मेरी कोई बात सुन ली, जहाँ मैंने एक स्टोरी नरेट करी, उसके कैरेक्टर्स आपके लिए कहाँ पहुँच गए और किसी और के लिए कहीं और पहुँच गए.
Radio has also helped children gain their attention span.
Where we are not repeating anything that's already happening in the world, or we are not just putting across अभी शादी सीजन चल रहा है तो बस हम शादी की बात करेंगे, मेहंदी, हल्दी, संगीत, कॉकटेल, ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Hi and welcome to my podcast. I am very happy that you've joined me in my journey where we delve into topics like childhood education, spirituality, health, mental health, and careers of children. And I'm super excited for my episode today because the voice that you all have been hearing on your radios is now in person with me with Mirchi RJ Komal. So
Hi.
thank you, Komal, for joining us today.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be here. Slightly nervous because I think asking questions is way easier. Grilling the other person is way easier. So let's see.
No, I don't think we're here for grilling you at all. We want to actually hear all about you and about Radio Mirchi because Radio Mirchi is something that we've grown up with, you know. It's been synonymous of our adulthood, you
Yeah.
know, when we were in college and everything. And it continues to be so. And you being the face, or rather the voice
Yes.
of Mirchi has been a splendid thing, you know. A lot of people now relate to Mirchi with RJ Komal.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's amazing. So, my first question is that everybody thinks radio is becoming a desolate medium.
Right.
अब लोग शायद रेडियो कम सुनते हैं. We have mediums like Spotify, Apple Music, YT Music. But what is your opinion on radio? Is it still considered a dead medium of communication?
So radio has always been a subconscious medium. You know, something that you're
Yeah.
not consciously listening to.
Yes.
A lot of probably new generation people who sit in the car and tune into these channels, उनको शायद पता भी नहीं है what the concept of radio is unless they
I
are in
agree.
school and they understand the, you know,
Yeah.
modes of communication and things like that. So you don't know that you're listening to this thing called radio. It's always been a subconscious medium.
Right.
But it is what happens in a subconscious medium is कि कई बार आप कई चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा या इतनी बार सुन रहे हो. For example, let me give you an example. 80% of the audience that listens to us is rural. I mean, of course. So,
Of
and
course, yes.
then there is around in that there's around 30-35% who are in their cars. जो कहीं ना कहीं जा रहे हैं या आ रहे हैं. They're listening to radio. They don't know what they're listening to. My niece, for example, is 11-year-old kid, quite Gen Alpha, not even Gen Z. Gen Alpha in her ways, very cool. Does not have time for something like radio.
Right.
But there are these jingles that play on
Yes.
on Mirchi, especially continuously. That the other day it started playing in the car, and then she started singing it till the end. I was like, you don't listen to radio. She's like, no, but I listen to this all the time. So the medium is quite subconscious, but it gets to you in a way where you don't even realize
Right.
that it's getting to you.
Right.
And that's a fact. Nobody has time or efforts now to run on to connect your Bluetooth to a Spotify or
Yeah.
something when you have an alternate available.
Right.
So this is for of course, the urban, the more polished
Yeah.
audience. But abhi bhi, like I said, there's always going to be TV. There's always going to be cinema. The style is going to change. The way
Yeah.
it's coming to you
Yeah,
is going
yeah,
to change. So AI is still coming to radio, but it's also there in radio.
Right. You know, I mean, हम जब बच्चे थे तो All India Radio used to be big when we were like probably in second, third grade. Then came all the new stations with Radio Mirchi
Yes.
and the other stations. And for us, Mirchi is still Mirchi.
Yeah.
So it's great. I think radio as a medium is the one that instantly touches your heart. Your voices and other RJs actually make our days. You know, so it's a big compliment that you guys are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you.
But when we say that we are living in a world with Gen Alpha, Gen Z, now even more generations to come, they are so much surrounded by AI, tech, reels, social media, to the extent that most of the things are now AI generated voices.
Yes.
Do you think that AI generated voices would ever be able to take on human voices?
No. So let me give you an example here. So I do the morning show, and every day at 8 a.m. there's this one listener. Apart from other listeners, there's this one listener that calls me. So there was a day when I was slightly unwell, and I'm still talking with all my, because it's a professional environment. I'm not telling
Right.
you that I'm unwell, but I'm talking to you. And then she gets it that I'm unwell, and she's asking me,
my
"How are
God,
you? I
really?
think you should try this." And the next day, I'm fine. I have that, and I'm fine. And then there are days when it's the other way around also. Yeah, I don't
Right.
hear from her, or 2 days she's not around. Then I ask her, "Where were you? Oh, you had gone here." So there's a certain warmth when it comes to human connection that I think AI can never replace. My life, my journey, my experience as a human being, my empathy that I have around people, with people. I think, of course, you can give AI 1,000 prompts to have empathy, but they will still sometimes tell you, "Sorry, I don't understand what you feel."
Sorry, I didn't get it.
I didn't get it. So that's going to happen.
Yeah.
There's going to be errors that probably a human, in terms of emotions,
Yes.
would get you
Yes.
better. So the warmth,
Yeah.
I think, will only. AI is welcome and more than welcome to make our jobs and our lives easier. But I am not even 10% insecure that it's going to take my warmth away, because that is something that I think as human beings, we are all empowered with.
Right, that's so nicely put, because I think emotions, values, that's what makes
Yes.
the relationship.
Yes.
And because I'm sure, जैसे आपने बताया कि there's this one particular listener, I don't know if you've met her, not met her, but you still have this
Yes.
beautiful bond with
Yes.
her.
And
You
say
know?
vice versa. She has the same bond with me. She's probably never even gone to my social media to check me out. She doesn't know who I am. Okay, she
Right.
might be a young listener. There's a guy who's 50 years who's talking to me every day. He's not on social media. He's not checking that out, but he knows that he has a connect with me.
Right.
So I think that human emotion and warmth will not be replaceable.
Oh, that's such a beautiful, beautiful thought, because हमें लगता है कि आरजे का काम क्या है, they'll just come and talk on the radio, but I think it's far beyond
Yes.
that. What is the difference between being on air and off air for you?
So basically, of course, there's a lot of prep that goes into
Yeah.
before going on air. There's a responsibility you own. Every word you speak on air has to be completely viable. One really good example that I would like to give you here, especially with Mirchi, we don't break news. We don't believe in breaking news. हमारा काम ये नहीं है कि कोई चीज़ हुई हम अभी के अभी आपको बताएं. We wait. We confirm the news. For example, Dharmendra ji passed away, of course. But before that, there was also a rumor when he had
Yeah,
passed away, a
yeah.
few days before that.
Yeah.
And everyone was out there breaking news, sharing it on the Instagrams, wanting to be the first person to share that this has happened. I'm so sorry. While we don't work like that, we believe in waiting, understanding, feeling, and then giving you a solution to any situation. So none of the Mirchi stations, which are 73 stations in the country, nobody spoke about it. So I think 1.5 hours later, it was confirmed that he was still okay. But in that duration, we are trained to that level that none of us broke it. None of us shared it on our social media. It didn't come from Mirchi. And I think I take pride in that our on-air personalities, एक level पे we are asked to be as real as possible. Keep our personalities as ourselves, but also very responsibly so.
Right.
So that's
I
the
think
difference.
that is so well put, because where you're living in a world of paps, and there are cameras shuttering for airport, for every small, big,
Yeah.
important, not so important things also. Keeping that hold and not letting that news spread
Yes.
through you is such a big responsibility
Yes.
that you guys actually hold. That's where I think हम जहाँ empathy और sympathy की बात करते हैं, only humans can understand it.
Yeah. And I think responsibility also,
Yeah.
to a great extent.
Absolutely. I mean, that's really, really well put. So my next question is that when we say radio as a medium of storytelling also, not just breaking news,
Yes.
I think it's a very, very powerful medium.
Yes.
It leads to a lot of deeper thinking, not just listening. So what are your takes on that?
So here I would really like to tell you one thing that no other medium can give you is power of imagination. So
Yes.
suppose you're listening to a random ad, not even what I'm saying, a random ad on radio, and it has these three characters, Manoj, Barkha, Sushmita. Okay, you have an image of Manoj.
Yeah.
Your Manoj probably has a mustache, mine doesn't.
Right.
Your Barkha wears a sari, mine wears a suit.
Right.
So the power of imagination to these
Yes.
characters, to these backgrounds, and the fact कि ये चीज़ इतनी डेप्थ में आप सोचने लग जाते हो कि आपने एक ऐड सुना है, आपने एक चलो मेरी कोई बात सुन ली जहाँ मैंने एक स्टोरी नरेट करी, उसके कैरेक्टर्स आपके लिए कहाँ पहुँच गए और किसी और के लिए कहीं और पहुँच गए, और उससे हर इंसान की एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी बनी.
Yes.
As compared to if you're watching something blatantly as a reel or on digital, you know how they look like. For you, Ram is Ranbir Kapoor. For me, Ram is someone else.
Right.
Ram is probably what Ravan is for you.
Yeah.
But that power of imagination, that I think only an audio medium gives you. I'm not even, saying radio. An audio medium can only give you that power of imagination.
Yes. In fact, I think it's not just power of imagination. I think radio as a medium also improves language,
Yes.
vocabulary,
100%.
your thinking capability, because when you are, it's only your voice that could communicate.
Right.
You don't have any other medium to
Right.
communicate. And as children, I think it's a great medium.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, I'm sure you would have faced it. You've been in the industry for 7 years.
Yes.
And 2 years in Hyderabad, 5 years here in Indore. I'm sure your experience would have helped you enhance these qualities as well.
Yes, 100%. And I think because you're prepping the show, you're writing down scripts, you're being trained regularly. Let me tell you that it's not something Mirchi takes lightly. Our
Right.
jocks are trained very regularly and constantly working on, air check is a way of rectifying what we do, what we put across. So there are these things that happen that constantly teach you ki how to be on. So when I was working in Hyderabad, I was trying to be as Hyderabadi as possible in the way I speak to the audience. अब मैं इंदौर में हूँ तो मैं यहाँ अपन से लेके लोगोन से लेके everything that is Indori, that relates to Indori, to an Indori will come in me, will inherent in me, and of course initially I make a struggle on it, but now 5 years down the line I am as Indori as an Indori.
Yes.
Because I live here, I experience the things that you experience here, and I completely come and share my excitement when I experience something absolutely Indori. I'm like, अरे यार ये मेरे साथ हो गया, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
Poha jalebis.
So these
I
kind
think,
of
yes.
things, I think that make you relate more, and of course, because you're so on par with them, you're living the life as them.
Yeah.
You are more easily understood on radio.
But that also shows that you as an RJ is so adaptable. Another quality that हम नहीं देख सकते, and because we only hear your voices, we don't know the training processes and how much Mirchi would probably be doing things with all the RJs, like on-air personalities. For us, it's just your voice.
Yeah.
What goes behind the struggle, the hard work that
Yeah.
goes behind, we are quite unaware of. So would you want to highlight on that?
Of course, I wouldn't call it struggle at all. I think it's a great process. It's a lot of fun. But of course, surely there's hard work in it, like there is in any medium. For example, whenever we put across a special on our shows, so now these specials have to be planned very strategically, where we are not repeating anything that's already happening in the world, or we are not just putting across अभी शादी season चल रहा है तो बस हम शादी की बात करेंगे, मेहंदी, हल्दी, संगीत, कॉकटेल, ऐसा नहीं होगा. When we're talking about शादी season 2025 में अगर हम शादी season की बात करेंगे, तो who are the people that make शादी season better? There's a wedding social media manager. Do you know there's a drape artist? There's a stylist for bride and groom, and not for a celebrity. We're talking to these people. We're understanding कि यार stylist कैसे बनते हैं? मतलब my grassroots listener is understanding कि आजकल शादी में दूल्हा दुल्हन के साथ एक बंदी घूमती है जो उनकी डिजाइनर नहीं स्टाइलिस्ट है. वो उनको बताती है कि इस कब लहंगा पहनेंगे तो उसका ब्लाउज पहनेंगे. There's a job called a drape artist, which not just one person on social media does. There are hundreds of women doing that job. So when we are doing anything like that, any show, anything that we do, anything like a special or even on a daily show, I'm not bringing to you something that अरे मैं तो ये तो मैं न्यूज़पेपर में भी पढ़ सकती थी, ये तो मैं इंस्टाग्राम में भी देख सकती थी. What is my unique addition to it?
Right.
That is our process.
So I also think that you are not just impacting your listeners. In fact, you are making careers of other people
Yes.
as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's like a full circle.
Yes.
It's like an amazing
Yeah, so
circle.
matlab, because of course we are fighting for attention, like everyone
Yeah.
is. Everyone is fighting.
Yeah,
Your
yeah,
Instagram is fighting for your attention.
Absolutely.
Your TV. So we are fighting for attention. So that 1 or 1.5 minute of time when you give me, when I come in and I go out, that has to bring some value to your table.
Yeah.
So, and we try to do that not just in the way the radio jockeys speak, in the ads, in the capsules. You know, we have these promos of specials that we do. Everything is bringing a value to your life when you tune into radio.
Right.
That's our process.
Right. That's so well thought of. Now, when I talk about social media, you know, even children nowadays are so addicted to social media. Unfortunately, you know, they're blindly just scrolling
Yes.
reels. Even reels of 15 seconds, they would not want to see because their attention spans have reduced so much.
Yes.
You know, they're probably not able to concentrate. Vis-a-vis, in radio, they are able to listen to songs for 4 minutes long without even shifting to another
Yes.
station.
Yes.
So I think radio has also helped children gain their attention spans, or has the potential to do that.
Yeah, it definitely has the potential, but I think here, let me just start by saying it's not just children, it's everybody.
Right.
All of us have lost our attention span. As per research, the attention span now is
Yeah.
3.5 seconds. We know that.
Sadly, yes.
Yes, it is. But it is a conscious effort of me. I would like to take this up as a mother first. It is a conscious effort of me as a mother to make sure that my child is being guided in that direction where I am not, just because I need that 20 minutes of nap time or 10 minutes to eat my meal, ki you watch that TV for that 10 minutes, and jab tak, but in that 10 minutes on a regular basis, once in a while, I'm not judging any mother here. I'm just trying to give you an insight of what I do as a mother. So if I give him that 10 minutes every single day on loop, then I am actually spoiling his attention span. But on the contrary, if I even if it's a difficult thing, it is very difficult. Trust me, my kid is 2 years old. It is a challenge for me to keep him away from television or any kind of screen. But also there is TV time. I cannot completely dumb down the kid to a level where he does not know what a screen is. So even that is dangerous.
So I think always a supervised
Yes.
screen watching
Yeah,
is
a routine.
okay.
I think a routine
It's
and
alright.
discipline works
Yeah.
in any department
alright.
at any age. in life.
Yes.
So when you do that, and when you also make sure, I think accidentally we stumbled upon this as parents. We made sure that we made him listen to a lot of audio stories and a lot of audio ragas and things like that. Since he was 3 or 4 months old. So now my child has no problem in speaking full sentences correctly, not 1-2 words. My child is okay with creating stories. My child is sitting and making stories with me, telling me theories and all of that, because we have consciously made this decision of introducing more audio than video in his life. There's a lot of audio. Like I think 70% of his day is audio.
Absolutely.
And we stumbled upon this as parents because we personally were fond of the audio medium more. And of course, because my profession is such. So I am anyway spending a lot of time figuring out things, working around audios. So I think if consciously parents or adults take that step, then kids can go in that direction. But that has to be a conscious fight every single day in your house.
So I think that's such a brilliant takeaway for all the young moms, that you have a medium of audiobooks.
Yes.
You know, it's not necessary that you always have to hand over a screen to your child whenever you want your me time.
Yeah.
And my personal opinion is also the same. In fact, not just for young children, even for teenagers, preteens, kids who are even doing science and maths. there are lovely audiobooks
Yes.
that they can actually learn their whole theory from.
Yes, 100%.
And it's brilliant. It's really, really good.
But like I said, it's a conscious battle that you as
Yeah,
an
yeah.
adult in the
Absolutely.
house has to fight every single day, because
Yeah.
suddenly tomorrow you tell a 10-year-old kid who has a personality of his own, you're not going to consume that much TV or reels or phone. They're not. You have to reason with them.
Yeah.
You have to reason with them.
And-
10-year, I think a 5-year-old also you have to reason with now.
Yeah. Anyways, it cannot be an authoritative parenting anymore.
Yes.
It has to be collaborative.
Yes.
Because the kids nowadays are ready to question and pounce on you for everything.
100%.
And if you don't have a valid reason, they will not listen.
Yes, and
They will not. And they have their own rights to do that.
yeah,
I think.
and I think the biggest answer that's going to come is, but you do that.
Yeah,
So
of course.
you have to
yes.
discipline yourself
Yeah,
first,
yeah.
and then that's the only
Yes.
way you can pass on
Yes.
whatever you want to teach.
Absolutely. I think it's time we put our phones down
Yeah.
before telling anything
Yes.
else to anybody.
Yes.
Pick up that book, listen to radio yourself
Yes.
before you actually
Yes.
tell your kids to do that.
100%.
100%.
100%.
It's very simple as that.
100%.
But then again, talking about children, it's not just screens at home.
Yeah.
Now, smart TVs in school, tech ed, robotic teachers are all there in schools. So, what potential does radio have in school education?
So, for the same, I was anyways coming to this in the last question itself. I think our shows and our specials and even our everyday games and interactions are designed in a way where we encourage everybody, people of all ages, to come in, to make that phone call, to respond to that question. So radio is not just a medium where I come in, I give you some information, I talk about my life and I go. I am here to interact with you every single time I come in.
Right.
And that interaction is my base of trying to make younger people confident, and older people, have to give them someone that they can approach or reach
Right.
out to, and while also trying to encourage your brain to constantly work. So when I play a game with you, so our shows are specifically designed where every hour we have an interaction hour. So every hour I am planning something where I know that I need my listener to talk to me, and then it's not just that answer to my question, then it is beyond that. Where are you? What are you doing? Okay, what are you studying? I have this guy who calls me every day. He's a 16-year-old kid. He's preparing for his some competitive exams. So he calls me every day. I'm on my route here today. I'm doing this. Now I'm finished this course. This is the answer to your question. Sometimes he doesn't have an answer to my question. There was a very funny incident. He called me once and then he didn't have what the answer he said was wrong. So then I said, now it's wrong. Now what are you going to do? So you're sitting next to somebody in a bus. He's like, Bhaiya, can you tell me the answer of this question? So you understand
nice.
the learning that he
Yeah.
had through
How
this.
nice.
And this is not intentional. We are here to entertain you, but
Right.
not entertain you in a way we're just dumbing you down.
Yeah.
We are encouraging you to think. I had a special in February. It was called Khata Rahe Mera Dil. So it was about Indori's love for food. I had people share stories of give love letters to your favorite food item.
Oh,
And by
really?
example,
Wow.
so we had love letters for chai, we had love letters for poha, for vada pav, for biryani, and crazy love letters. Matlab, you could not think that people can actually do this, but unless you ask people to do crazy things like these
Yeah.
for fun,
Absolutely.
not because you're being paid for it, because you're in that profession, we stopped doing all this for fun. पहले हम यही तो करते थे fun में. थियोरीज बनाते थे, कहानियां बनाते थे, टाइम पास के लिए फ्रेंड्स के साथ प्लेस करते थे. Where are you doing all that for fun
Yeah,
now? So
yeah,
we are trying to, again, because we're fighting for your attention, we are trying to give you as much fun as possible, but that fun is going to make you smarter for sure.
Right. So, Komal, when we talk about social media and platforms like that, with Paps, there's also trolls.
Right.
Have you ever been trolled on air by anybody, and how have you handled it? Because I think that's another great quality of RJs, to handle people who are not so easy to handle.
Right.
You know?
Right. So let me tell you this, that it's way tougher because you're in a live show here.
Yeah,
So when you watch
absolutely.
something on social media, or you watched a comment that's told
Yeah.
you, told you anything to put you down on social media, you have time
I know.
to think, to come
that.
back with
Yes.
a savage response.
Yes.
here you're in a live medium, or even if I go out as an RJ, probably in a bunch of people, and I interact with them, and I instantly get a response, and sometimes the response is not friendly,
Yeah,
or it's not
I
something you
understand,
want
of
to
course.
listen to.
Yes.
Of course, I think this is also something that comes with experience. Probably someone who's like just started out as an RJ would take it too personally,
Yeah.
or would take it
Yeah.
to heart and then learn from it. But I think being in the public eye for over 5 years in this city and 2 years somewhere else, and just doing this on a daily basis and balancing out the love
Right.
versus the hate, and of course handling the trolls with also a lot of love, because you're on a live show.
I know, so that
it's,
makes it even more tough.
Yes. So, but there is a responsibility, like I said, there's a responsibility of me as a representative of the city to every person in the city.
Yeah.
So even if there's something that's coming that's against it, if it's constructive criticism, I take it with open arms.
Absolutely,
Thank you so
yes.
much for pointing this out. Maybe
Yeah.
I made an error. I genuinely made an error sometimes, and I genuinely do make
Yeah,
errors.
yeah, of
I'm a
course, it's
human being.
human.
Yes,
It's human.
So if that's pointed out, I take ownership of it. I say sorry in that live link, and that's how it is. And if it's something that's not something that is probably related to me, it's just coming out of some personal something.
Yeah.
So then I think we are entertainers. Then we
Of
know how to
course.
navigate our way through it and play the next song that explains what we want
Of
to say.
But you need to really think on your toes.
Yeah, but I think that's what
You
we're
know,
doing all
I
day.
mean, it has to happen in the
Yeah.
drop of a hat. You
Yeah.
know, you
But-
don't have time.
Yeah.
And that also is a big quality
Yeah.
as an RJ on a live show you would have.
Yeah, but I think experience teaches you that.
Yeah.
So I would not judge if a new guy or girl did not know how to handle it.
Right.
But for me, I think it is just good. I think it would be a good show because I would get good content out of that for my show.
Absolutely, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. So any kind of publicity is good publicity.
And I think if you just know how to navigate, if I can give you an
Yeah.
example, because we are having fun with it. So there's this guy who called me the other day, and I gave him this answer. He gave me the answer, and then he said, "Okay, what did I win?" I said, "Nothing. You get to be on the show." He said, "Arey, usme kya?" So of course he was disappointed because he wanted to win something out of giving a correct response. I said, so then there was a way to navigate it. I said, कोई बात नहीं, उसके लिए मैं आपका ये अगला वाला गाना बजाऊंगी जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए बजेगा और किसी के लिए नहीं बजेगा. बाकी सब अपने रेडियो टर्न ऑफ कर दो because ये सिर्फ ये सुनेंगे. That's your gift. So you have to navigate through these things. That's the only way to.
That's a wonderful way to actually think on your feet.
Yeah,
you know,
and that's
like
how you
literally.
navigate without, because I don't think trolls have a life, and I don't think radio is too loved to be trolled to that level anyway.
Yeah, I think thankfully radio has still not come to a stage where trolls would.
Yeah, and because we're
really
not
go
extreme,
there.
I think
Yeah.
we're very balanced.
Yeah,
sunshine
and
sort of
as
a-
you said, radio is all about love. So
Yeah.
nobody would troll love,
100%,
So it's very
100%.
simple. But that's so nice. Has there any incident been in your past 7 years as an RJ, Mirchi RJ, in fact, that has etched a mark in your heart for love, not otherwise? Like,
So I think there have been many incidents. So putting, pointing one out would be quite. It would be difficult, but I think there are from people who knew me from Hyderabad, would listen to me on my show, to people who would actually like if I have said something today and they are actually incorporating it tomorrow, stories like that too. I remember there was this little girl whose dad had called up because I was talking about, there was a special we were doing on traffic, so I was talking about traffic rules every day, every single day. So some days later, this man calls me up, he's like, my daughter made me wear a seatbelt because of you. And I'm like, why? So he's like, because you kept saying that the minute you get into a car, have you worn the seatbelt? Have you worn the seatbelt? My daughter, who I've never spoken about seatbelts to, she said, Papa, have you worn your seatbelt? I'm like, who taught you that?
I know.
And she's like, this RJ in this radio station is like, wow. So
I know. So even a small impact like that
100%. And
you would feel your heart full then.
of course, and the people who know me from day one when I started, my first caller, I remember his name was Ujjwal. He followed me on Instagram, and till date, my life has changed pretty much from then, and till date they are commenting on your posts and you still have no connection with them because they're just your audience. But till date they're commenting on your life updates, really appreciating what you do. I think that's a connect you make, and that's for life.
Oh, that's so warm and so beautiful. I think
Yeah.
it's just made us more cozy about the relationships that you would have with your listeners.
100%, 100%.
It's so nice. But have there been days where, like how you would be unwell or maybe not in the right state of mind, but you still need to get the RJ mode on?
100%.
How do you do that? And how difficult has it been for you, uh, especially on the days where you just did not want to talk?
Okay, so there have been, of course, very difficult days, but I think one of the first things as an artist, so I personally, I think for me, I have had, I was a theatre artist before I became a radio jockey.
Oh, how
And
nice.
because I had taken training in theatre and I was a very professional actor before this, so a lot of times I would hear stories of these legendary actors going on
Yeah.
stage for the performance right before they heard something bad, and I thought ये सब real में कैसे possible है, कर ही नहीं सकता इंसान. And of course 7 years of being on air 365 days. Okay, leave the 52 Sundays, but all the other days other than that, I think you just, it's like a mask. It's like a mask. So the show must go on. I 30 seconds before I'm probably sneezing my life out, I pop a pill, and then 30 seconds later I'm on air. This is physical. Emotionally, 30 seconds before probably I'm crying my heart out because I've had some major tragedy in my life.
Right.
And 30 seconds later I'm just back on air. Of course, beyond that, there is still a human angle to it. Then when there are days when you're absolutely not able to, we have a beautiful team of people ready to step in.
Right.
And I think especially in Mirchi, I have seen this work culture where your mental health is very important. So even if you're absolutely fine, just don't feel like showing up on a day, there is someone ready to step in.
Oh,
And I
that's
would
so
do that for
nice.
someone else.
That is such a nice thing because that's where teamwork actually
Yes,
comes into
yes.
play. But I mean, like how they say, right? Virat Kohli also went on to play cricket. As soon, I mean, after he heard that his
Yeah.
dad was no more,
Yes.
I think it takes lots of guts and grit to show up
Yeah.
and do things for others,
Yeah.
even when you're not in the right state of
Yeah.
mind.
But I am personally also a firm believer of taking a back seat when you're really not in the right mindset as well. And I'm so fortunate to be in an organization which supports this thought
Right.
fully, 100%. I have seen it through all the changes of my life. That when
Right.
you're not in the mindset or you physically incapable, they are okay for you to take a back seat. So we've seen people extend their maternity leaves. We've seen people go beyond for someone else, fill in, do
Right.
three shows in a day because someone else is not in the right situation to come in,
Yes.
step in.
Yeah.
So I think your culture, people you surround with, matters a lot.
I'm sure. I think that's how you grow together as well.
100%.
And you're there to cheer on with each other.
Yes, 100%.
So
100%.
that makes a lot of difference. And since you spoke about maternity leave, I know you've had a small baby.
Yes.
Just 2 years old, and you've come back to work with full zeal. Has work made it easier to deal with the postpartum thing, and or has it made it difficult? Like, what is your experience been as a new mom to get back to work?
I would like to say it's a combination of both. There are days when work feels like a big hurdle because you really don't want to do anything with your
Yeah.
life and
Yeah,
just
yeah.
be with your kid. I think every mother
Yeah.
would relate to this. But then there are days when you see that your kid has become responsible or independent because you are not around, and no
Yeah.
matter how difficult it is for you to take that step,
Yeah.
I think it is in the right direction if you have the right help. So, and for me personally, this was for the kid, but for me personally, the last year was when I had actually bounced back. I was back to work within 6-7 months of my maternity, but it took me 4 to 5 months to settle in, and then when the
Right,
last
right.
year was the year that I bounced back, and I realized I think the value you bring to the table
Yes.
increases much more
Yeah.
because then you're not just doing it because it's a job and you have to do
I know.
something for work. Now you are leaving something equally precious.
Right.
And coming here, so
Yeah.
these hours that I give here
Yeah.
need to be of value. And when you see that value translate into, you know, some sort of an award or some sort of a recognition or being called, you know, to a platform like that, then you feel, okay, then probably what I'm doing is worth it, and
I
I'm
know.
probably passing
Yeah.
on something right to my child.
Oh, your kids would always look up to you as heroes of their life. You know, you're
Thank
setting
you.
such a wonderful example for them that
Thank
no matter what, nothing is going to stop you.
Yeah, and I think,
And-
but again, I would still, it's a personal choice, and I
Yeah,
have huge
absolutely.
regards for moms who wish to stay back with their kids.
Certainly.
A big heart, because I think to be selfless to that level is also
Yeah.
something that a lot of us new generation moms would not want to
Right,
do. We would want to
right.
have a life of our own simultaneously.
That's true.
But that's another selfless act.
That's true. And talking about mothers, I think let's delve into the topic of women in media.
Yes.
You know, where media is considered very stereotypically patriarchal. I think women also have their own struggles in media.
100%.
And what has your experience been? I'm not just talking about radio. I think any sort of media, whether you're a news reporter or whether you're a journalist, हर जने ने मतलब especially women have struggled a bit, you know.
Yeah.
Have you ever had any experiences like that?
I surely have, and you know, it's not, and it purely, I think, comes from lack of communication or understanding of what you are going through, emotionally or even physically. You know, even though you recover physically from childbirth or the fact that you have
Yeah.
given birth to
Yeah.
a baby and you need to resume your life back to normal, and we are surrounded by such examples कि उसको देखो वो तो 3 महीने में normal हो गई, उसको देखो वो तो
हाँ, I
6
know.
महीने में normal
Yeah,
हो गई,
yeah,
उसको
yeah.
देखो वो तो 1 महीने में पार्टी
Yeah,
करने चली गई, वो तो
हाँ.
शादी में चली गई,
Yeah.
उसने तो अपने करियर में 1 महीने में वापस इतना बड़ा वो कर लिया. Look at Bharti Singh, she's back to work in
Yeah.
12 days. Look at Alia
I
Bhatt,
know.
in 3 months she's shooting a song. I
Yeah.
think when we have those examples, we also have to have examples like a Deepika Padukone who fought for the 8-hour thing.
I know.
She's left big projects for it.
Yes.
And I, as a mother, I think any mother on this planet would be okay and would be applauding that you are making lives easier for us at the ground level.
Absolutely.
Because when you
Absolutely.
fight a battle like that,
Yeah.
you don't realize the number of people you're directly impacting. And at my level, if I speak in my work surroundings or people around me, I think it is just as simple as sitting down with your leader or your managers, especially if they are male, because sometimes they don't understand the
Yeah.
intensity
Yeah,
of your
yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
And I think the problem comes because we are such poor communicators. We just assume things, especially in our country,
Yeah.
from both ends, rather than
Yeah.
sitting down, having a conversation, or having a culture in your company.
I
If you
know.
are, if you are bosses of a company, I think if you just have the culture of communication in your company,
Right.
which fortunately from my end we did, otherwise I would probably not be working right now. But when you sit down and when you make the other person understand, or the company as a whole understand your situation, your circumstances, you try to take 2 steps ahead, they take 8 steps ahead.
Yeah.
And then as a team, nothing can happen without help, especially for a mother. When you leave your kid home, you need the right kind of help
Right.
to support you while you're at work, whether it's your
Absolutely.
husband, your family, or your nannies. And when you're at work, you need the right kind of support, emotional and otherwise, at work as well, to be able to do wonders. And then if you have that on both sides, then there's nothing that's going to stop you from doing wonders.
That's so nice. I think because of the work culture at Radio Mirchi,
Yes.
Radio Mirchi is what Radio Mirchi is now.
100%.
Because whatever goes behind the scenes is what resonates in front.
100%,
You know,
100%.
so I think kudos to that.
Yeah,
It's
and
wonderful.
if you listen to the sound of, if you compare radio stations, this is just off the record, you don't even have to put this on the record, but if you compare to the sounds of different radio stations, you will see a very different creative quality difference in 98.3. And this
Yeah.
is just me
Yeah,
sharing
yeah,
this with
yeah.
you on a personal
Absolutely,
level.
I agree with
There's
that.
a very, very, very major, clear difference. And that's because of the culture that we have.
Yeah, I think you're right when you actually say that, because now when I think of it,
Yeah.
you know, till
Yeah.
now probably I didn't really pay attention to it, but now when you
Yeah.
say, I can distinctly make out that okay,
Yeah.
which is Mirchi and which are the other
Yeah,
stations.
because there's a standard that
You
is
know?
set, and because we also have a responsibility because we're the first private FM in the country.
I know.
Indore station was the first. We are the
Yes.
first. We are the pioneers of it, and we would like to keep our position like that, irrespective of the fact of the industry, what's happening, what's changing.
That's true.
I think till the last, Radio Mirchi is sure to keep that standard set.
That's wonderful. That's really, really nice. In fact, my question next was that if you have to give an advice to the younger RJ Komal, you know, maybe 7 years back when she just started her career in radio, what would it be?
I think she was fab. I mean, I would really want to go back to her. No, but I would just like to tell her that don't stop experimenting.
Yeah.
Don't stop transitioning. Don't stop being yourself, because I think being yourself, even if it looks difficult initially, being
Right.
your unfiltered self
Yeah.
will take you a long way. And
Yeah.
just be your most real, unfiltered, want to be in my pajamas all day self on days when you really want to be that, and be your I want to look the best, I don't care if anyone's dressing up or not, self on days when you want to. Just do what you want to, listen to your mind and your heart, and the world will follow.
Oh, that's so nice. And I'm sure my audience wants to hear that how Komal actually becomes RJ Komal, Mirchi RJ Komal, at a snap of a finger. How would you introduce yourself? You know, we've always heard the voice, but we've never seen the face. So,
Yeah.
how do you do that every day? And if you could just give us a glimpse of how it is.
Okay, so let me give you a beautiful setting. I'm in my studio, and there's this big window that makes me see this big food court in our office. And because it's 8 a.m. in the morning, there's like really great sunshine on my face. It's like
How
a
nice.
perfect sun-kissed mood. It's like the sun is out there to just tell me hi. And then I put on my headphones, and then I turn the volume up, I turn my mic on, and then this is on. Like, हाय, आप सुन रहे हैं 98.3 मिर्ची, मैं हूँ कोमल। 8:04 हो रहे हैं, और अगर इस वक्त आप मुझे सुन रहे हो तो अपने चेहरे पर एक बड़ी सी स्माइल ले आओ और मुझे जल्दी से व्हाट्सएप करो, गुड मॉर्निंग कोमल।
So nice. So Komal, you've been an RJ in Indore for a very long time. I must say you've become a household name.
थैंक यू।
मतलब हर घर में सुबह 8 बजे हमें RJ कोमल को तो सुनना ही है.
थैंक यू।
And any funny things that have happened from the audience of Indore?
So when I started out, I of course had given a very big declaration कि मैं हैदराबाद की हूँ और मुझे बिरयानी के ऊपर सेव नहीं चाहिए, but मुझे पोहे के ऊपर सेव डालने के लिए you will have to teach me how to be इंदौरी.
Right.
So from that day जब मुझे इंदौरियों ने वर्ड सिखाए कि चकाचक होता है, एक नंबर होता है, तेज चल रहा है होता है, from that day till today, when I on Saturday especially I am like यार मुझे कोई तो पोहा जलेबी खिला दो, I'm craving for it. Weekend आ गया, मेरा वो वाला टाइम है जब मैं full on कुछ भी खा सकती हूँ. So to that, to having these set of listeners, like I have this guy called Mahesh who calls me every day and he's explaining to me कि आपको रास्ते समझ नहीं आते ना, मैं आपको एक शॉर्टकट बताता हूँ, यहाँ से वहाँ जाइए, वहाँ से फिर वहाँ निकल जाना. Yes.
Wow.
So things like that. And then there was a day when he just gave the phone to his wife and said ये गाना गाकर सुनाएगी आपको. And because I had asked what is that song in the game, so he called me and then he introduced me to his wife. Things like that happen. And like I said, to those specials when we have people coming in giving in such emotional stories about their love for Indori food and Indori stuff. And also there was this incident when I was just speaking about this heritage train in Indore.
Yeah.
And I was just giving a hint of, do you know what I'm speaking about? And and there's this lady who called me from Pune, uska मायका इंदौर में है. She's like, oh, you've touched such a nerve. मेरे लिए वो heritage train इतनी special है. I've gone on my anniversary. I come to Indore so
Really?
less, and
Oh my
I feel so
God.
excited about this heritage train. And then she gave us a whole way कि वहाँ जाकर आपको ये करना होता है, गरम गरम कलाकंद खाना होता है. Make sure वो experience miss मत करना. So there are ways in which Indori people connect like no one does. They make you a part of their life.
Absolutely.
वो अपना मतलब अपनी लाइफ का सब कुछ आपको बिल्कुल बिंदास होकर बता देंगे, और ऐसे मतलब they will never hesitate कि मतलब ये कोमल तो हमारी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही है.
I think we Indoris we are very warm.
Yeah,
And we
extremely.
are very open-hearted. We would
100%.
welcome anybody and make
100.
them a part of the Indore family.
100%. And this I had noticed when I traveled out of town recently. I was off work for 7-8 days, and the day I came back, that day my show bombarded with messages, and I was like, yaar, ye wala pyar I was missing out on.
Aw,
Matlab,
how sweet
that happens
that is.
only in Indore.
That is such a nice thing. And also, I think because of the bombardment of social media, अब हमारे पास एक और career options है of becoming influencers.
Yes.
But do you think RJs are more recognized or the influencers?
So, in terms of recognition, I would not like to compare. Everyone has their own audience.
Right.
But I think हम जो करते हैं वो everything we do is about इंदौर. मेरा
Right.
पूरा show is designed in a way कि मैं इंदौर में क्या चल रहा है, इंदौर में क्या हो रहा है, इंदौर में ये कौन सी जगह, कितने इंदौरी मुझे सुन रहे हैं, इंदौरी लोग अगर मुझे सुन रहे हो तो अपना ओपिनियन बताओ about this particular thing that's happening in the
Right.
city. सराफा में 120 से 80 दुकानें हो गई, 80 से
हाँ,
फिर
I
67
know.
हो गई.
Yes.
So what do you feel as an Indori? So the connect I have with Indore, I think an influencer who's probably working on a more global level will not have.
Right.
So, and I mean, with due respect to all my influencer friends, and I love all of you, you guys are doing great.
Absolutely.
But I would like to say कि I think 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 influencers होंगे, but RJ तो फिर भी 4 ही होंगे ना.
That's true. We can only connect with them.
Yes. So, those 4 hours are exclusively mine. I know you're going to
I
be with
know,
me.
absolutely. That was wonderful.
Thank you so much.
So Komal, I know we always consider कि RJ entertainment के लिए होते हैं, हंसाने के लिए होते हैं, बातें करने के लिए होते हैं. But I also know the other side of your impact on people is that RJs have really made a difference in a lot of people. I know a lot of incidents that had happened, especially during the most challenging times of COVID. Would you want to tell us about that?
So I, of course, my personal experience has been with COVID 1 and 2. I was on air both the times, and radio was probably one of the only mediums that was still on a live basis where we were really updating you, especially during the first also.
Right.
Jab the world
right.
was on a shutdown, radio was still on. We had figured out a way to operate from our homes, from remote areas. And we were still updating people, especially for blood requests. मुझे याद है first में तो there was not as much blood requirement as much as keeping people calm कि you know
Right.
don't worry, people going through depression,
Yeah.
living alone,
Yeah.
talking to them, making sure they're okay, you know, providing help to them in terms of groceries or connecting people with their families, that all. But in the second COVID, especially in Indore, there was a lot of request for blood banks, blood requests. Can you provide blood? यहाँ पर है, safe है ये. And I have personally experienced so many people, coming down and telling me कि because you had announced this on air, because you had personally made sure कि आपने call करके उनको inform करा कि यहाँ पर blood की ज़रूरत है, आपने 2 लोगों को connect करवाया. A lot of lives were impacted.
Wow, that's huge because you know how we always think RJs are for making you laugh and they're light-hearted.
Yeah.
This is serious business that you
Yeah.
had taken up.
Yeah,
you
and
know?
like I said, so our shows are designed in a way where we don't break news, we give you solutions. Even on a daily basis, Indore mein lately, I would not like to make this an image of the city, but lately there have been a lot of bus accidents and a lot of genuine impact that has happened. And instead of blaming or looking for another point, just giving you another finger to point, we are constantly trying to help you with solutions. These are the helpline numbers. ये वाले sources है जहाँ आप जा सकते हो अगर आपके कुछ हो गए. If you can't find a family member, this is who you reach out to. So we are the people who are trying to connect you with solutions rather than blames.
Right.
So I think that is something that we live by.
Yeah, and I think it's not just impacting lives. You've also impacted a lot of children.
Yes.
And is there any particular show that is exclusively meant for children that you're planning to start or is on the cards?
So there are no shows particularly for children. Of course, I mean, there are times, so based on when children can consume the medium more, like there's a winter break or a summer break, so our specials are planned in a way where we sometimes involve children also in our
Ah,
programming.
yes.
We bring
I
in
remember that.
during
Yes.
summers, we
Yes.
bring in children and try
Yeah.
to do shows with them. We do a lot of contests with them. Children's Day is another time where we bring in a lot of children,
Right.
involve them in our shows. But generally radio is वो वाला medium जहाँ पर आपको channel change नहीं करना, अरे बच्चे आ गए channel change कर दो. You don't
I was
have to-
just about to
yes.
say, there's no certification,
Yeah, there's
no UA,
yeah,
16
so
plus,
it-
13
the
plus
shows are
content
generally
kind of
designed in
things.
a way जहाँ पर कुछ भी extreme नहीं हो रहा है. It is quite neutral for anybody of any age to consume, and also without compromising on the fact that your power of imagination and creativity flows through what we are doing, whether it's the
Right.
jingles, whether it's the ads, whether it's the specials, everything.
Right. No, that's wonderful. I think radio is always a family medium.
Yes, 100%.
So
of
that
course,
is what makes
yeah.
it very different.
Yeah,
You
other than
can-
the nighttime band, I
Yeah.
think because that is
Yeah,
specifically
that's okay.
designed for another
Yeah.
audience. But throughout the day, it is designed for anybody and everybody from the age of 2, 3, 5 to 9900 to consume and enjoy.
Very nice, lovely. Thank you so much, Komal, for joining us today, and we've had such wonderful
Thank
conversations, so vivid and so candid, I must say. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure. Like I said, it feels like, I've leveled up because appreciation from
Absolutely.
any place means a lot, especially when you're a mother and you're trying to balance life
Yeah.
on
I
literally
think
on,
we're here
on your
to
two
support
hands.
you, to cheer you on for everything, and you deserve it completely,
Thank you so
100%.
much. Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.